Hello everybody, this is Mark, the Portuguese Diver. Thanks for joining me on my channel. This is our new project, the Boston Whaler 270 Outrage. As you can see from the pictures, it is in a little bit of a rough state. We've got a few projects to come through, and I hope you guys follow along and enjoy the process. This is a 2006 Boston Whaler with twin 275 Mercury Verados on a brand new 2023 trailer. We have a couple issues with it. There is some damage on the bottom of the hull that we will be repairing. As you can see from the interior, it is really gross and grimy. So we've already gotten started on cleaning this up. It turned out fantastic. We got some interior parts that we need to get replaced and repaired. The back hatch needs a little bit of fiberglass work. Other than that, it is a great boat and look forward to getting more done on it.